gamers, today is our first video. If you end up enjoying this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Also, if I sound funky, it's because I'm sick. I know it's our first video, and I'm already sick, but who cares? Anyways, enjoy the vid, or else. Sorry, I didn't see you. Guess what?
What is it?
You're about to die.
You really useless.
I'm the sole survivor? Wait, you're gonna do me last? Thank you. Actually, you seem you could be useful. Go kill that kid with the earrings and I'll give you 2,000 yen. Wait, you're gonna give me money? I bet!
Kumbachiro!
What is it, Nosuke?
It's a damn demon! Look!
Nosuke! That's a train! Train? That's a cool name. Do you not know what a train is either?
Umai!
May you be Rengoku.
Umai!
You guys sure this guy isn't gonna go mentally insane after a while? What?
The view inside of this demon is so cool! I could look at it forever. So fascinating.
How do you even know how to spell fascinating? But don't even know how to spell our names!
Kumbachiro, Manitsu, Kinosuke, and, Kinezko.
You can't even say anything! You know what?
Umai.
Guys, I got a strange senti. Oh my. Someone crapped their pants! What? There was no bathroom! You know what? I'm not even gonna say anything. Behold, where the ticket?
Young Kamado, I have the tickets.
Yo, give me your tickets and I'll do the thing with them.
You sure this isn't, Muzan Kibatsaji? 'Cause if it is, I might crap my pants too. Yo, I feel a little bit like a sleepy boy.
Why do I feel the same way? Ah! Why do I feel sleepy too?
Shoo! 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 Wake! Shoo! Wake! Shoo! Wake! Shoo!
So the way these people are sleeping, soon their dreams will turn into nightmares. And all their dreams, their happy dreams of their family, will all be shattered. And soon enough they'll be in a wretched nightmare. They're just waiting to fall into a nightmare, an unexpected nightmare. And then I can hopefully find the earring guy and get me some 2,000 yen.
Yo, wake up!
Ah! You didn't have to tell you had to say that so loud so quickly. Alright, y'all, I'm going on top. Good morning. But wait, you could have slept forever. Oh wait, hold up. Wait, you're the earrings kid. It's like a moth came to the light at the perfect time. Now I'll give me some 2,000 K. You get paid for this? I've never gotten paid before, but today is a special occasion. So I'm gonna kill you, if you know what I mean. Actually, I'm gonna kill you. How could you be so No! I could have won 2,000 yen! But you killed me! Wait, hold up. He's acting kinda sussy. The train is me now! Do 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 do. Now's not the time for Thomas the Tank Engine, you know. Also, you're gonna have to like protect like 200 passengers. I don't know. You just have to protect all of them before my little tentacles just like go num num num. Okay? What's taking him so long? Is he really that strong? Wait, that was a dream? Where's young Kamado? I think I heard something outside my dream. Someone saying they were going on top of the train. Well, the yellow-haired boy and warhead guy is still here, so I guess young Kamado went up there. Hope he's doing well. Oh, Kurikata Goku, you're awake now? Tanjiro? Wait, I said that right? Kabuchiro is up there. Owies! Wow! You really severed my head? Well, there goes my 2,000 yen. Good work, young Kamaro. Keep up the good work. Alright, I am gonna tip this train. Hold up, guys. I have a weird feeling, guys. What's up, y'all? Yo, he's something called Upper Moon 3. Look, it's Up Dog. What's up, dog? Nothing much. How about you? I'm gonna kill you! Actually, no, I was deciding to kill a guy with earrings. Well, if you want to get to young Kamado, you're gonna have to fight me first. I bet. Yo, I'm sorry. I died due to Upper Moon 3. No! Where are they? Don't tell me they died. Oh, I'm here, sir. Where exactly is Enmil? Oh, I saw him dead on the floor.